Hello everyone. Legal language can be daunting sometimes, but understanding some crucial legal terms is also very important. So today, I'll unravel these rare yet important must-known legal terms that everyone should be aware about. The first term is felony. You've all heard about crime, right? But when it comes to crime, felony is a significant player. Unlike a minor wrongdoing, it is a serious offense, which often carries an imprisonment of more than a year. In simple terms, felony can be called as a legal heavyweight. The second term is injunction. Ever heard of putting a stop to something legally? That's where injunction comes. It is a court order requiring someone to do or stop from doing a specific action. You can consider it as a legal hold button. The third term is subpoena. Getting a legal summon, yes, that's subpoena. It is a formal order requiring your presence in court as a witness or to produce certain documents. Once you receive this, you are legally bound to be present at the court. The last term for today is pro bono. It means legal work which is done voluntarily and for free. Lawyers usually take up pro bono cases to support a community or to ensure justice for all. Thank you.